Hi everyone, Tracy here with Kokokahn Essential Oils. Wanted to do a quick video on essential oils for pain with you and what I recommend. We have a blend called Cool Relief, and it has 8 anti-inflammatory essential oils, including Frankincense, Helichrysum, Peppermint, Lavender, Balsam Fir, Vetiver, Copaiba. It's a great synergistic blend with 8 anti-inflammatory essential oils. And the carrier oil that I recommend to use is an oil called Tamanu Oil. And Tamanu Oil is a unique carrier oil in that it has anti-inflammatory properties. It also has antibiotic properties and cicatrisant properties, so it heals the skin on a cellular level. So Tamanu Oil is my always definite go-to for pain blends and for wound healing. The Cool Relief Essential Oil Blend, you can use undiluted occasionally for breakout pain. And then for your all-day, everyday use, you want to dilute 25 drops of Cool Relief into 1 ounce of Tamanu Oil. And that you can use all day, every day. And then again, you'll have your more concentrated drops for those extra painful moments or days. So that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.